I am going to explain what is the work of civil engineer on construction site. So there is most important person on construction site is a site engineer, who is responsible for all the work done at site. So we'll start. First work, interpretation of drawing. So interpretation of drawing means first you should know the drawing, you should read the drawing and then tell how the work is to be done, how the work is to be carried out. Then prepare bar bending schedule. So bar bending schedule, there may be a this may be the format for the bar bending. Then allotting work to the laborers. There are different works or different activities running at construction site. So allow the work or allot the work to the laborers or allot the labor to the different works based on how much labors or how many labors are required for different activities. So here resource planning, in other words we can say resource planning. 4. Supervision of construction work. Whatever construction work is running at construction site, you should supervise that work. Then checking received material and prepared material used schedule. So here, site engineer is responsible for the material received at site and he should prepare their schedule. Then plotting line level on construction site is also most important work for site engineer. Then preparing work chart schedule for work to be done at construction site. Then providing cutting length and number of bars to steel workers. So this will get from the bar bending schedule. So it is necessary to provide bar bending schedule to the workers. So this is the work of site engineer. So now checking steel work of slab, beam and column before concreting. Before concreting, site engineer should check whatever steel used for slab, beam and column. Also he should check the formwork used for different elements of structure. Now then checking and arranging equipment before concreting work starts. To start concreting work, after supervising the different element, so arrange the different materials and allot the workers for doing the concreting work. Then supervision of concreting and vibration process. During the concreting, supervision is also necessary. Then after the concreting, after 24 hours of concreting, there must be a curing for concrete element and there must be a removal of side formwork. Site engineer should give attention towards this process. Then keeping note of each and every casting work, that is concrete used in meter cube, formwork quantity, steel quantity used, labor used, material used. So he should keep the record of each and every thing which is happening at site. Then many other work he need to do, that is the steel record, available steel at site and used steel record, required steel, preparing concrete record, labor muster, preparing bills of quantity, preparing and sending daily process report to higher authority. These are the works required to do by site engineer at construction site. If you like the video, please do share it and subscribe the channel for more such knowledgeable videos. Thank you.